everyone, I'm Teacher Ming from Kangaroo Study. Today on our road to higher abilities learner math, we're going to look at counting principle. Now, counting principle is very important. Not only just appears in past year GPs, but also appears in various math Olympiad competitions. And this counting principle is going to bring forward into P4, P5, P6, and it's still going to be very important. So let's dive right in. So first, let's look at the question. Using the numbers 0, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, how many 4-digit numbers without repeating digits can be formed? So, for example, can I have 330? Why not? Exactly, because the numbers cannot repeat. No repeating digits. So, this is wrong. Then it. Now, what about 0345? Can I have this? Why not? Exactly, you must have a 4-digit number. And a 4-digit number, the numbers in the thousands place cannot be 0 here. Very good. So this is wrong. So, for example, we can have 3045, 3047, 3048, and 3049. But then how many numbers are we going to list down? There's 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 0. There's 7 digits for us to choose from. There must be many combinations out there. And if you want to finish listing them, maybe we'll do it, maybe we'll finish it by tomorrow. And in the process of doing this, maybe we will miss one number here and there. So how can we do it faster and accurately? So let's look at an example. Now let's say one day I want to go out for a date, meet someone very important. So I have to dress up. So I have these shirts that I can choose from. I have a green shirt and a blue shirt. And I also have my jeans, a dark color pants, and an orange pants which looks super cool. So how many shirts can I choose from? I have 2. And how many pants? 3. Amazing. So how many different combinations can I have from these shirts and pants? Now, for example, if I choose the green shirt, I can pair with how many pants here? I can pair with the jeans, the dark color pants, and also this orange pants. I can pair with 3 of them. So there's 3 here. Now, let's say if I choose the blue shirt, I can pair with how many pants? Actually, it's the same. It's the same 3. Jeans, dark color pants, and my orange pants. So there's another 3. So, I'm sure you know that the answer is 6 now. But how many 3s do we have here? How many 3s do we have here? It is 2 3s. So how can I write 2 3s in a calculation? Very good. It is 2 times 3, which is equals to 6. So now, everyone, let me ask you, where can I find these 2 here? Yes, it is the number of choices for my shirts. Number of shirts. What about this 3? It is the number of pants. So, what counting principle here says is that if we have a step-by-step process, here, I want to first step, I choose shirt. Second step, I choose pants. So, if I want to find a number of combinations, all I need to do is just take the number of choices of each step. First step, there's 2 choices. Second step, there's 3 choices. And just multiply them together. So this is what we talk about in counting principle. To multiply the number of choices for each step. Which means that if, for example, if I have more than 2 steps, like 3 steps, here, after I choose a shirt, after I choose a pants, I will definitely need to choose my shoes. So I have 4 favorite shoes here. So now, I have 4 here. So, what is the number of different combinations now? Shirts, pants, and shoes. Very good. It is 2 times 3 times 4. Just multiply them all together. Now let's see here. Why do we need to do that? So let's say I choose green shirt and blue these jeans. Yeah, I choose this pair here. Let me circle it. So if I choose this pair, I can pair with how many shoes? Yes, I can pair with shoe 1, shoe 2, shoe 3, and shoe 4. So there is 4 here. And we said that how many combinations do we have in shirts and pants? There's 6 combinations. And if for every combination I have 4. See, if I choose green and jeans, I can pair with 4 combinations. Green and dark colors, I can pair with still 4. And there is total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 combinations. Every combinations I have 4, which means that total is 6 times 4. Amazing. It is 6 times 4. And we say that these things we can get it by 2 times 3. So actually, it is just the same 2 times 3 times 4. Just multiply the number of choices of every step. This is the counting principle. So let's look at a very quick example. Alex has 3 cards with the digit 2, 4, and 6 written on it. how many different two-digit numbers can be formed using the three cards. Now keep in mind that this is cards. When I use one card, can I reuse it again? I cannot. Very good. So now, two-digit numbers means that we have 1, 2, two spaces. So, you see that it's actually the same as our previous step-by-step process. First step, I need to choose a number for my tens place. And second step, I need to choose a number for my ones place. So, how many choices do I have for my tens here? Very good. There's 3 choices, 2, 4, or 6. Now, for my ones place, how many choices do I have? Is it still 3? For my tens place, I already used one of them. Then I'm left with how many choices? I'm left with 2 choices. Amazing. So here is 3 and 2. And for counting principle, what do we need to do with this 3 and 2? Very good. We just need to multiply them together. Then we can get the different two-digit numbers. 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, let's look at another example. Now, this time I have 4 cards with digit 2, 4, 6, 8. Similarly, I want to find how many different 3-digit numbers can be formed. Now this is 3-digit numbers, so we will have 3 spaces. So how many choices do I have for my hundreds? This is the same. I still need to choose one number for my hundreds place, one number for my tens place, and one number for my ones place. So how many choices do I have for my hundreds? Very good. It is 4. Now, how many choices for my tens place? It is still 4. Yeah, this is cards. Once I choose a card, I'm gonna be left with 3 cards. So there's 3 choices. And continue for the ones place, there will be 2 choices. So what does counting principle say? Exactly, just need to multiply them together. So just 4 times 3 times 2, which is equals to 24. 4 and 3 is 12. 12 times 2 will be 24. So this is 24 different 3-digit numbers can be formed. And finally, we are ready to go on to our question. Now, the question says how many 4-digit numbers without repeating digits? So keep in mind. So, 4-digit numbers, 4 spaces. Same, it's a step-by-step process. First step, I need to choose a number for my thousands. Second step, hundreds. Third step, tens. And fourth step, ones. So how many choices can I have for my thousands place? Now, some of you maybe say 7. Is it 7 here? Can I have 0 as my thousands place? Yes, I cannot, which means that I can only choose from 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So that's how many choices here? Yes, it's only 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, so that's only 6 choices. And for my tens place, how many choices? Is it 5? Now, we can only choose 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So if I choose 1 away, I'm gonna left with 5 numbers. But for my tens place, can I have 0? I can, so which means that I'm gonna add 1 more choices to become 6. So there is actually 6 choices at my tens place. So keep in mind, this is the trick that we need to take care of. Now, for the tens and ones, it will be the same as our previous example. So I'm left with how many choices for my tens place? I chose away 2 numbers already, so I'm left with 5 choices. And I take away 3 numbers, so for my ones place, I'm left with 4. So what does counting principle say? Exactly, just need to multiply them together. 6 times 6 times 5 times 4. Come, let's do it slowly, one by one. What is 6 times 6? 36. Amazing. What is 5 times 4? 20. Amazing. So what is 36 times 20? So if we can just do 36 times 2, which is 72. And we just add a 0 there. So the answer will be 720. There's so many different 4-digit numbers that we can from here. Now, if we want to list them down, then we will probably finish. Maybe not even tomorrow we can finish it. Okay? So, this is counting principle. Now, let's do a very, very quick summary here. The summary will be counting principle. Multiply number of choices of each step together. No matter how many choices do we have, just multiply them together. So, that will be the end of today's video. Now, feel free to contact me here for any questions. I can answer you anytime. And feel free to join our 2026 P3 study group. I will share many education resources like GP, HAL, of course, and also SASMO and SNQC. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Teacher Mingwei on Kangaroo Study. Goodbye!